Hello, my name is Alvin and today I want to share my artwork called the VR Rebuilder. As part of the regeneration, my 4 R's are recycle, reuse, rethink, and rebuild. We can recycle items and put them in the right bin. Reuse items instead of throwing them away, like using a refillable water bottle instead of a plastic one. Rethink our daily habits like turning off the lights when leaving your room, don't waste water, and avoid single-use items. We can also rebuild our earth better by taking action like supporting clean energy and riding a bicycle instead of driving a car. In my art, the first thing that catches your eye is a damaged planet. Fortunately, the VR uses the power of the 4 R's, turning sunlight into a rainbow power that heals the earth. This is a reminder that with creativity and action, our earth can become better. At home, our family reuses containers, shopping bags, and always try to use items more than once. At Moore Elementary School, my teacher, Miss Call, not only taught us the 4 R's, but to live them. We picked up trash, sorted wings. Miss Call also let us to bring spoons from home and not use a straw and drink it. I drink the milk carton without a straw, and we even added 2 recycling wrapper bins. What I want people to know is that Earth is like our family. We live on it. We depend on it. So why would we litter on it and hurt it? The Earth can still be saved if we act together. Action! Yeah!